guys, welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a while since we made some Cobalt content, so we got a good Cobalt video coming for you today. Courtney and I are headed down to the car meet, and a few other people I think are coming down there. So I just watched the Cobalt. We're about to get on the highway, so she's gonna film me doing a little bit of a pull onto the highway. We do have to stop for fuel, and actually this truck goes in front of us on the highway. I'm not gonna be doing a pull. And is he gonna turn? We will find out. Yep, the truck is turning, so we won't be able to do a pull behind this guy. But anyway, like this video for more Cobalt content, and sorry it's been a while. We've been making some serious jet ski content, and I kind of need the truck to pull the jet skis, so that's why we haven't been filming with the Cobalt. But anyway, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll be using the gimbal in this, so get ready for some smooth footage. I really hope it's not lame, or I'm gonna be kind of pissed.
I don't know, I see quite a few people there.
3 months ago, or
Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
Dude, it's nice. I like the color. It's got white hips.
Yes, it does.
You're not kidding. Seriously, this isn't wide body, right? This is just stock.
You mean red butterfly?
Oh, yes, of course.
Did you hear me chirp them?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to try and go to a few more car meets before summer is really over. It's only the end of July right now, so we still have about a month left of summer, which is pretty good. And then even after summer, it's still nice into September. But so look forward to more Cobalt videos, and make sure you guys subscribe, because I got a special video surprise coming up after this video. The next video after this video is going to be a surprise, because I'm going to put this video up first, I think anyways. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for that. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and check out the giveaway video. I'm giving away aqua loops for jet skis, so if you're a jet ski viewer, go check out that video. It has like 9 or 10 likes on it. We're trying to get it to 20. The giveaway ends September 1st, so go check that out. Stay tuned for more car videos, and stay tuned for more jet ski videos, and I've got a surprise coming up. So thanks for watching. See you guys.